Imagine a music studio having like a waiting room. My head won't bust. I'm like, what do you guys do here? Is this an apartment or a studio? Because tell me why a studio looks like a house. Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you what the COZA City Music Studio room look like. Now, this is the foyer, yeah? More like the entrance to the church. And the truth is, their studio is just by the left-hand side of the foyer. And welcome, guys. When I walked into this place, the smell here is so good. The ambience. Now, so imagine a music studio having like a waiting room, like a reception, like a sit-out, where you have like beautiful, expensive cushion, where you have amazing rugs, great colors, you have TVs, you have a tea spot, you have different stuff. My head won't bust. I'm like, what do you guys do here? Is this an apartment or a studio? Is this an apartment or a studio? Look at this point. See this setting. Now you can have like tea breaks here. You can do some recordings there. And of course, bro, this entrance alone speaks luxury. And of course, what I was trying to say here is this place smells money, smells like the wealthy place. Leaving the reception, you find this beautiful space. Now that's a grand piano inside the room. There are different segments also in the studio where recordings take place, and this is how the singers sit to rehearse. I'm going to leave you guys to listen to how I greeted everybody on this day.
Daniel Frank, Wina. Is Eddie. Daniel. Faith.
Sunshine, thank you for it.
This is progress. So this particular person, I always and usually see a notification on my post. But before you start asking me, where's Sister Oji? Where is Billionaire Pianist? Where is everybody? Where is Doye? They were not around on the day I visited. Unfortunately, I'm so sorry. But let's continue. After hugging progress, I'm like, why is Billionaire not around today? What's happening? Billionaire Pianist, who are you now? Then Alex now shook me. I'm like, oh my God, Alex, my man, waiting they sup, waiting they play. What's going on? But guys, I don't even know what to say. This view is beautiful. This is a music studio for singers at the COZA Global. It is beautiful. Trust me, waiting you want to sing for this room more sweet because tell me why a studio looks like a house. Tell me why a studio looks like a house.